Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure it is in park. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that is found. Also, pay particular attention near the exhaust system for grass, leaves, and other flammable material or debris. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Check the tire pressure and verify that they are set to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specifications. Also, inspect the lug nuts and ensure fastener tightness. Next, inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder, located in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the levels between the upper max and lower min level lines. If it is low, clean the area around the cap and add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Apply the brake forcefully for a few seconds and check for fluid leakage around the fittings. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Lubricate if necessary. Next, inspect the PVT and engine intake pre-filter system on both sides of the vehicle for blockage or debris. Pay particular attention to the screen on the passenger side of the vehicle and ensure no cargo is blocking the screens. Now, inspect the air filter, making sure it is free of dirt, debris, or water. Clean if dirty or replace if necessary. Next, move to the rear of the vehicle to the exhaust and clean the spark arrestor. Allow the vehicle to cool completely before performing any spark arrestor maintenance. Begin by removing the spark arrestor fastener. Then, carefully pull the spark arrestor out of the exhaust. Inspect the screen for wear and damage and replace if necessary. Then, reinstall the spark arrestor and torque to specification. Now, inspect the coolant level in the pressurized coolant reservoir through the driver's side rear wheel well. Add coolant as needed by removing the radiator cap cover. Warning: never remove this cap if the engine is warm or hot. Next, in a well-ventilated area, start the engine and allow it to idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stop the engine and wait 3 minutes before checking the oil. This allows the oil to settle to the bottom of the crankcase. If the engine is hot, the level will appear to be overfull. After 3 minutes, move to the oil dipstick in the passenger side rear wheel well and begin by cleaning the area around the dipstick. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop rag. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. Add the recommended oil as needed, do not overfill. Then, check the condition and function of the seat harnesses. Inspect the full length of the seat harnesses for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Also, test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Now, push down on both seat backs to ensure the latches are secure. Always wear a seat harness when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seat harness buckle is not latched. Next, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Then, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Continue by checking the steering system for smooth operation, from full left to full right. Now, adjust the steering wheel to the desired position and lock. Do not adjust the steering wheel while the vehicle is moving. Next, adjust the passenger handhold to a comfortable position for your passenger before operating. Make sure the clasps are fully locked after making adjustments. Verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Start the engine and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.